Welcome to my channel. Today I will be discuss about the Cardin's method for the class of BSc and others. Okay, and only it is this method are used for the cubic equations. Now first we want to introduce the general cubic. After that, how can we transfer standard cubic? Then after, how can we solve this method? See the technique here. Okay, and this is the discussion about the Cardin's method of a cubic equation. Okay, let us generate cubic. Equation is actually a naught x cube 3a1x 3a2x and a3 equal to 0. Okay, this is equation number 1, and these equations transfer to a standard cubic. And now transfer to the standard cubic, that is z cube plus 3h z plus g equal to 0. Okay, this is 2. So this is called the standard cubic, that is z cube 3hz plus g equal to 0. And compare and transfer to this by putting z equal to a naught x plus a1. Okay, to solve, standard cubic, let z is equal to u plus v. Okay, and cubing both sides, then ZQ is equal to EQ, this is VQ plus 3UV, and within the bracket U plus V. EQ, VQ, 3UV, and this is Z. And now this is also a standard cubic, and transfer this part to the left hand side. This is 3UVZ and minus UQ plus VQ equal to 0. This is 3. Okay, comparing 2 and 3, then then 3h is equal to minus 3uv, implies that h equal to uv. And minus uv actually, and g is equal to minus uq plus vq. Okay, and now and now EQ minus DQ whole square, that is equal to EQ plus VQ whole square minus 4 EQ and VQ, EQ plus VQ, and this value is minus G, and minus 4 EQ plus VQ, and that is equal to got here minus H and whole cube. This is G square plus 4 H cube. Implies that EQ minus VQ is equal to plus minus root over G square plus 4 H cube. Okay, and this is the number 4. Okay, and this is here UQ plus VQ equal to minus G, and let us assume this is 5. Adding 4 and 5, and that is 2 UQ is equal to minus G plus minus root over G square plus 4 H cube, and that is equal to EQ by the minus G plus minus root over G square actually have taking positive plus 4H cube by 2. Okay, equally this. So then we get VQ is equal to minus G minus EQ. So this is a minus G by 2 minus G plus 2 by G square plus 4H cube, and 2 minus G minus 2 by G square plus 4 H cube. Okay, so here H is equal to minus UV, so V is equal to minus H by U, and Z is equal to actually U plus V. Therefore, U minus H by U. Okay. Now, cube root of EQR U omega and U omega square. Therefore, Z equal to U minus H by U, U omega minus H by U omega, and u omega square minus h by u omega square, and this is z. And now see, we want to find the value of x here, and now we have to find the value of z equal to a naught x plus a1. Therefore x is equal to 1 by a naught into z minus a1, and that is equal to, when if we take this solution and substitute here, then we get here u minus h by u minus a1 comma 1 by a naught into u omega minus h by u omega minus a1 and comma 1 by a naught u omega square minus h by u omega square minus a1. These are the solution of x. These are the solutions of x of the cubic equation. Okay. Note, when h square plus 4, this is g square, when g square plus 4h cube is more than 0, q is real, and the roots of the given equation and the two roots of the given equation are imaginary and one is real. But when g square plus 4h cube is less than 0, then uq is imaginary and the roots are real. Okay, so this is the basic theory in the Cardinal's method. This is the theory of Cardinal's method to solving the cubic equation. And now we have to furthermore discussion about when it is a complex, actually, when g square plus 4hq is less than 0. Okay, so that is actually we have to find uq. Okay, so when uq is equal to minus z plus root over g square plus 4 h cube whole divided by 2. When g square plus 4 h cube is less than 0, then let minus g by 2 as a comma and root over g square plus 4h cube by 2 is equal to IB. So therefore EQ equal to A plus IB. Let A is equal to R cos theta and B is equal to R sin theta. So therefore EQ is equal to R to the power R taken common, and this is here cos theta plus I sin theta, So and U is equal to actually R to the power 1/3 and cos theta to the power I sin theta to the power 1/3, and that is equal to R. Actually R is equal to A square plus B square. So this is A square plus B square and this is R square, and this is here 2 by 3. So 1 by 6 actually, 2 by 3, wrong is it? This is 1 by 6. And see, this is 1/3, so you have a 3 solution. So that's why you can add a 2k pi plus theta. So by 3 plus I into sine of, and same angle 2k pi plus theta by 3, okay? And where k is equal to 0, 1, 2. This is the solution of U. Okay, so we can, it says that easily is that. So similarly, therefore the V is equal to, actually we get here A square plus B square will be 1 by 6, and that is cos of 2k pi plus theta by 3 minus I sine of, and same angle, and Z equal to actually U plus V. Actually U plus V, if we added this, so we get here A square plus B square whole to the power 1 by 6 and into 2 times of this, and cos of 2k pi plus theta by 3 here, where k equal to 0, 1, 2. Okay, see the calculation carefully. Okay, this is the theory of Cardin's cubic. So solving some problem, we always learn the value of UQ is the form of that, and how can it is transferred to a general equation. We have to substitute this point as a Z equal to A0 plus X plus A1. After that, this is called the standard cubic. Okay, this is called the standard cubic. Students, carefully learn this point, and also the value of U. If we let us assume that this is the standard cubic equation with the equation is there, and the value of EQ, we can learn this formula minus G plus 2 G square plus 4H by 2 here, and when G square plus 4HQ is less than 0, so C, the solution of Z is this. Okay, then we get up with respect to the cos theta. Okay, so some problem actually we get there as a in form of cos. So this formula is a very important point. Okay, now we have to, after that we have to 3 problem we want to discuss with all of you here. See the theory clearly. Okay, so this is the most vital point. So now we want to introduce some problem, that is a problem solved by Cardin's method. X cube plus 15 x square minus 33x minus 847 is equal to 0 by Cardan's method. Okay, by Cardan's method. Now we reduce this equation as a Zinel cubic, and this is here. We have to put here 3. This is called the 3a1 is equal to 15. So a1 is equal to 5, and now a0 is equal to here. A0 is equal to 1 here. So z equal to a0x plus a1. So z equal to a1 means here 1 and x, and a1 is 5. So x is equal to z minus 5. Okay. Then the standard cubic form is, therefore the standard cubic form is, substitute this x in that, whole cube, 15 into a z minus 5 whole square, z minus 5, 847 equal to 0. Okay, and simplify these, we get here actually z cube 108z 432 is equal to 0. Compare with the standard cubic, that is z cube plus 3az plus g equal to 0. So therefore 3h equal to minus 108, and so h equal to minus 36, and g is equal to here minus 432. Okay, let z equal to u plus v. So therefore uq equal to minus g plus root over g square plus 4h cube by 2. Okay, put here the value of g 432 plus minus, sorry, this is here only plus g square means minus 432 whole square plus 4h cube, this is minus 360 cube by 2. Okay, so we get here 216, that is 6 cube. Therefore the u is equal to 6 omega square. So from that, therefore the solution are 1 by a0 u minus h by u minus a1. Okay, this is the first solution. So that's why a0 means here 1, u means 6, h means here minus 36, by u means here 6, and a1 here is 5. Okay, then we got the answer here is 7, and 1 by a0 u omega h by u omega minus a1. This is 1, this is 6 omega minus 36 by 6 omega, a1 is 5, so 6 omega plus 6 by omega, 6 omega square minus 5, and take a common, minus 6 minus 5 minus 11. Okay, and 1 by A naught u omega square h by u omega square minus A1, 1 by 1 6 omega square 36 by 6 omega square and 5, and this is here 6 omega square plus omega and minus 5. So we get here also a minus 6 minus 5, that is 11. So this is 7 minus 11 and minus 11 are the solution of x of the giant qubit. Okay. See carefully, very interesting question. So now we have to proceed to the next problem. Actually, this problem we get here with respect to the trigonometry formation. This is 2 8x cube 36x square and 4x minus 5 equal to 0. Okay. So see, this is 3a1, this is minus 36. So a1 is equal to minus bar and a naught equal to 8. So z is equal to a1 a naught x plus a1. A naught means 8x and a1 means bar 12 actually. So x is equal to z plus 12 by 8. So this is here z plus 12 by 8. And now transform transfer to the standard cubic. That is 8 into z plus 12 by 8 whole cube, 36 z plus 12 by 8 whole square, 42 z plus 12 by 8 minus 5. Okay. And now simplify this equation. So what we get here, see carefully. Actually this is we get here z cube minus 96z plus 256 equal to 0 actually. And compare with z cube plus 3hz plus g is equal to 0. Okay. Then 3h is equal to minus 96. So h is equal to 3 is a 3, 9 and 2, 32. And g is equal to 256. Okay. Therefore, UQ equal to minus g plus u to bar g square plus 4h cube by 2, and this is equal to minus g 256 plus minus u to bar 256 whole square plus 4h cube. This is minus 32 whole cube by 2, and we get here this is minus actually 128 plus 128 into I. Okay, if we simplify this, we get here root over minus 128 whole cube minus and 128 whole cube. Okay, so this is the formation. And now let 128 is equal to r cos theta, and 128 is equal to r sin theta. And see, x6 plus and y is minus, so this is lie on the x6 minus and y is plus, so this is lie on the second ordinate. Okay, so therefore tan theta is equal to minus 1, so you get here pi minus pi by 4, and that is tan 3 pi by 4. Implies that theta 3 pi by 4 actually. So therefore the z is here 6 root of a square plus b square. Okay, 2 times of that, and cos of, to the theory, see the theory which I introduced to all of you. Okay, this is cos 2k pi plus theta by 3 actually. Okay, where k equal to 0, 1 and 2. Now a I b, actually this is a and this is b, so you get here 2 into within the bracket a square plus b square. This is a square plus b square, and 2 times of 108 whole square. Okay, and cos of 2 k pi plus 3 pi by 4 whole divided by 3, and proceed this 0 and 2. Okay, and we have to find the 108. If we factorize this, we get here we want to find the 6th root. 108 54 2, this is 27, 3 and 9. Now 2 into, actually 2 to the power 1 by 6, this is here 108 1/3, and cos 2k pi plus by 3 and pi by 4, and the cube root of that, this is 3. 2 into 2 to the power 1 by 6, and this is, we get here 3, and this is here 2 to the power 2 by 3, and cos 2k pi by 3 plus pi by 4, and where k equal to 0 and 2. If we added these two power, this is 2 to the power 1 by 6 plus 4 by 6. So 5 by 6 actually. So it is can't be simplified. This is 1 0. Asme 10 27. Okay, not possible. Okay, I am sorry. This is here 1 to 8. I wrongly said. This is 1 to 8. 1 to 8. 2, 6 and 4. 2, 64. 32. 2, 16. 2, 8. 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. 2 into 2 to the power 6, 1 by 6, and 2 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And this is 7 by 3 into that. And 2 into 2 to the power 7 গুণে 14 15, 15 by 6, and cos of 2k pi by 3 plus pi by 4 actually. Okay, and 2 to the power 5 by 2. So 2 to the power 5 by 2 means 2 plus half. So this is here 4 root 2. 4 by 8 root 2 into cos of, if we put 0 then pi by 4. Okay, comma 8 root 2 into cos of, if we put 1 then we get here 2 pi by 3 plus pi by 4 and 8 root 2 and cos of, if we put 2 here then 4 pi by 3 plus pi by 4. And now simplify this. A root 2 and cos 45, that is 1 by root 2. Actually a root 2 into cos of, and this is here, we can easily solve, and this is here pi minus pi by 3 plus pi by 4 actually. Okay, so you can easily solve this. Okay, and 8 root 2 and cos of pi plus pi by 3 plus pi by 4. Okay, and apply the simplification, then we got the answer easily. Okay, bye everybody. See the solution carefully.